Tesla FSD gets sparkling review from South Korea. Tesla full self-driving got its first sparkling review from South Korean politician Lee So-young, a member of the country's National Assembly, earlier this week. Lee is a member of the Strategy and Finance Committee in South Korea and is a proponent of sustainable technologies and their applications in both residential and commercial settings. For the first time, Lee was able to utilize Tesla's full self-driving technology as it launched in the country in late November. Her thoughts on the suite were complimentary to the suite, stating that it drives just as well as most people do, and that it already feels like a completed technology. Her translated post says, "Finally today, I got to experience Tesla FSD in Seoul. Thanks to the Model S sponsored by G-Doll Papa, I'm truly grateful to Papa." The route was from the National Assembly, Mangwon Market, Hanjik University, back to the National Assembly. Having already ridden in an unmanned robotaxi, the novelty wasn't as strong for me, but it drives just as well as most people do. It already feels like a completed technology, which gives me a lot to think about. Once it actually spreads into widespread use, I feel like our daily lives are going to change a lot. Even I, with my license gathering dust in a drawer, don't see much reason to learn to drive a manual anymore. Tesla full self-driving officially landed in South Korea in late November, with the initial launch being one of Tesla's most recent, V14.1.4. It marked the 7th country in which Tesla was able to enable the driver assistance suite, following the United States, Puerto Rico, Canada, China, Mexico, Australia, and New Zealand. It is important to see politicians and figures in power try new technologies, especially ones that are widely popular in other regions of the world and could potentially revolutionize how people travel globally. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.